Welcome to the Marinette Menominee Chamber virtual tour of Aurora Health Center. And my name is Jacqueline Boudreau. I'm the Executive Director of the Marinette Menominee Chamber of Commerce. And I'm here today with Melanie Teague, who is the Senior Director Administrator for Aurora Healthcare and oversees this new clinic that's located in Menominee, Michigan. Melanie?
Hi Jackie, thank you so much for welcoming us into this community. We are absolutely thrilled to finally be able to bring you our new site, Aurora Health Center Menominee. We are loving being in this community and are very thrilled to show you the clinic, so let's go.
Okay, very excited. So Melanie, can you tell us a little bit about the clinic and also the services that are offered here?
You bet. So this is Advocate Aurora Health's first clinic in the state of Michigan. We are a family practice clinic which has 2 providers in it. We offer primary care as well as laboratory services. So let's go meet the providers.
Okay.
So here are our family practice providers, Dr. Gary Metcalf and nurse practitioner April Jensen.
Thank you, Melanie. I'm excited about providing primary care in this new community. While I'm also a family medicine board certified physician, I'd also like to mention that I am a trained chiropractor, so I can provide manual manipulative therapy for many musculoskeletal complaints, and I'm accepting new patients.
Hi everyone. It's a great opportunity to be here and serve the community of Menominee. Some of you may recognize me. I used to work as a registered nurse in the emergency department at Aurora Bay Area. So my background nursing experience is emergency medicine and ICU, as I've been a nurse for the last 5+ years. I'm looking forward to this opportunity to serve you, and I am also accepting new patients and specialize in chronic disease management, health and wellness, and preventative care.
Wonderful. Thank you both very much. We are going to move on to the laboratory and take a look there. So this laboratory is state-of-the-art, full-service lab. You do not need to be a patient of either Dr. Gary Metcalf or April to have your labs drawn here. We are fortunate to be able to offer this service to the community members. And our real goal is to be able to reduce the travel that is necessary when you just need a simple lab done. We also can do point of care testing here so that the providers can get the results immediately and be able to get you cared for and on your way.
That's very nice and bright.
Thank you.
It's very comfortable. Well, for a laboratory.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Let's move on to one of the exam rooms. Exam room in this clinic. We do have natural light as well as the high-low exam tables for the safety of our patients. They're able to transfer on and off with ease, and we really want to focus on their safety when they're here.
So, could you tell us a little bit about that? What measures is Aurora taking to ensure the safety of patients as they start returning to in-person visits?
Absolutely. You know, as we all know, COVID changed the world. It changed how we do things. We at Advocate Aurora have what we call the Safe Care Promise. So what we want to do is ensure that patients have a seamless and touchless as possible experience. So it starts with being able to go online to their My Advocate Aurora Live Well app, and they're able to register and check in right online so that it's touchless. The other thing that we do is they are screened for COVID before they come to the clinic, before they're allowed in. As you can see, I'm wearing a mask, Jacqueline is wearing a mask, we are all wearing masks, and that is for protection and safety as well. We also do stagger our appointment times so that we do not have congregation in the waiting room, so that people are not crossing each other, and we're able to eliminate exposure, reduce exposure as much as possible. Same thing with our laboratory. We typically would offer a walk-in laboratory service. At this time, it is by appointment only, again, so that we can stagger those appointment times.
So that might be something that you'll offer in the future, is the ability to walk in.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Go back on out.
Okay. And so the other half of the clinic is mirrored.
Yep, exact same. So half of the clinic is Dr. Gary Metcalf, the other half is April Jensen. So they work collaboratively, they work as a team, and their support staff works right at this site here. The nursing and PSR are able to communicate about patients and patient needs, and then they can just do really team-based care for all of the patients' needs.
Oh, that's very nice,
Yeah,
very
thank you.
nice.
Thank
Well, I
you.
want to thank you again for allowing us to come in here and take a sneak peek of Aurora's newest facility, located here in Menominee, Michigan, 2408 10th Street. And if our chamber members would like more information, they would.
Absolutely, they would just log on to aurora.org. There you will find our provider profiles, as well as be able to schedule an appointment, make a telephone call, or whatever your needs may be. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.